We're making Biscochitos. This cookie starts with anise seed. You gotta toast them first to bloom them. Give those seeds a light crush. You can smell that. And into the mixer with 151 grams of lard to get whipped with 101 grams of sugar. 248 grams of all-purpose flour, a quarter teaspoon of baking powder, and a quarter teaspoon of salt for the dry. An egg, you gotta scrape in between. You know that though, right? Smells good though. Now it looks right. Always sift your dry for cookies. Pull that together, don't overmix. Perfect. Easiest if you divide this dough in half, preferably in the plastic wrap. Roll it into logs and into a container with rice to chill in the fridge so it doesn't get a flat spot. Now the flavor's married and it's stiffened up. Cut 1/4-inch cookies onto a lined sheet pan and into the oven for 14 or 15 minutes. While those bake, mix some cinnamon and sugar with some flaky salt so we can coat them while they're still warm. Don't you want to sugar them when they're hot? Yeah! But you can't touch them now, they're too hot. They're gonna smush and everything. Coat them in the cinnamon sugar while they're still warm and straight onto a rack to cool.
Ho, ho, ho. That's a comfort cookie right there. Anise, cinnamon, and sugar, and that crisp, soft, and kind of flaky cookie. Core memories there. So good.